Hey guys, welcome back. So you were trying to install, update, or uninstall an Adobe app, whether that's Photoshop, Lightroom, Acrobat, or any other Creative Cloud app, and out of nowhere the process failed with error 105. Quick heads up before we go further, there's actually a completely different error 105 that shows up specifically inside Acrobat when saving a PDF. That one's a separate issue with its own separate causes. This video is focused on the installation version of Error 105, the one that stops you from installing or updating an Adobe app in the first place, since that's the one people run into most often. So let's talk about why this specific error happens, and then we'll go through exactly how to fix it. According to Adobe's own official documentation, Error 105 happens when the installer is unable to properly access or modify a specific set of licensing files stored on your computer. Specifically, there's a folder called caps and a file called hdpim.db, both of which live in a system folder that Adobe's installer needs to read from and write to during installation. If either the caps folder or that hdpim.db file is missing the correct permissions, or if the file itself has become corrupted, the installer simply can't complete its job, and it throws error 105 as a result. So really, at its core, this is a permissions problem rather than a connectivity or download problem, which is actually good news, because it means the fix is usually pretty mechanical and predictable. This tends to happen for a few reasons. Sometimes it's because you're logged in to a limited or restricted user account on your computer rather than one with full administrator rights, and Windows or Mac OS simply won't let the installer touch those protected system files without the right permissions. Other times, previous failed installs or uninstalls can leave those licensing files in a corrupted or locked state, so even a fresh install attempt runs into the same wall. And occasionally, third-party security software or overly strict system permission settings can interfere with the installer's ability to access that folder as well. Now that you know what's actually going on, let's walk through the fix. The very first thing to try is simply clicking Retry on the error dialog box, since sometimes this is enough to get past a temporary permission hiccup. If that doesn't work, make sure you're logged into your computer using an administrator account, not a standard or restricted user profile, since error 105 is much more common on limited accounts that don't have full system access. If you're on Windows, the main fix involves manually granting full permissions to the caps folder. Navigate to C:\program files, then the x86 folder, then common files, then Adobe, then caps. Right-click on that caps folder, select Properties, go to the Security tab, and click Edit to open the permission settings. From there, select Administrators, set the permission level to Full Control, and click OK to apply it. It's also worth clicking Advanced in that same Properties window and making sure permissions are set to inherit down through all the subfolders and files, so the fix applies completely rather than just to the top folder. Once you've done that, try running the Adobe installer again. If you're on a Mac, the process is similar, but the location is different. The caps and hdpim.db file live inside Library, then Application Support, then Adobe. A common mistake here is accidentally navigating to your personal hidden user library instead of the main system library, so make sure you're in the correct one, since that mix-up is one of the most frequent reasons people can't find these files at all. Once located, you'll need to adjust the permissions on that folder similarly, giving your user account read and write access, then try the installation again. If manually fixing permissions feels a bit too technical, or if it still doesn't resolve the error, running the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool from Adobe's website is a solid alternative, since it's specifically designed to remove corrupted installation remnants, including problematic licensing files, without you having to dig through folders manually. After running it, restart your computer and attempt the install fresh. It's also worth temporarily disabling any antivirus or security software during the installation process, since some security tools are known to block access to these protected Adobe folders. Then simply turn your security software back on once the install finishes successfully. And if you've worked through all of these steps and error 105 is still showing up, reaching out to Adobe support directly is the next move, since in rare cases the licensing files can be deeply corrupted in a way that requires a more advanced repair from their side. So, to quickly sum it up, remember that error 105 is really about permissions on the caps folder and hdpim.db file, not your internet connection. Make sure you're using an administrator account, manually adjust the folder permissions if needed, try the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool if manual fixes feel too complicated, and temporarily disable your antivirus if it's getting in the way. Working through these steps resolves Error 105 for the vast majority of users without ever needing to contact Adobe support. If this video helped you get your install working, drop a like, subscribe for more Adobe troubleshooting tutorials, and let me know in the comments which fix worked for you.